It's springtime here in Denmark, and my family and I have been at the Open Farm Day, which is organized by the Arla with the collaboration of Graham Castle. Hi, I am Hart. I am Bisaya from Philippines, residing here in Denmark. The farm is actually located at Voyens, and we need to register online for our free tickets. The first thing we can see at the entrance are the cattle. My daughters and niece are excited to touch the cattle, and I am as well touching them. And every year, Denmark always have the Open Farm Day, which is celebrating the organic products of the Arla. And Arla is the biggest products of Denmark and is actually also exporting worldwide. How cute this cow is. I actually took some photos of them and posted on my Instagram. And some of them actually can get a free massage. Here it is. At the farm, you can get free freebies from the Arla, and you can actually get a free taste because they are actually introducing some new products in the market. My daughter is really excited to try each of the product, and I got some milk and some cream and some yogurt to bring home. At the farm, we can buy some of the Danish hot dogs and bread, and we don't actually carry cash here. We only need to send money to a payment through the mobile, and ta-da! We can get a cup of coffee and some hot dog and some ketchup and some bread. My daughter and I are enjoying the weather because it's actually nice weather. It's not raining at all. These are the Danish motor machines they use in the farm to make the life easier for the farmers. I came back again inside and bought some of the honey, and I accidentally meet my friend, a Filipina who has two daughters, half Filipina and half Danish. And the kids are playing outside at jumping at the hay. And luckily, I saw my friend May. We don't see each other so that much, so we're having a good time together. And I also meet her husband and her son while we were waiting for the cows. Finally, the cows are out on the grass after a long winter being inside at the house farm. People are getting around, taking videos, and my daughter and niece are so happy to see the cows jumping around. It's like they are dancing in the nature. We came back inside again and get some more freebies, and my daughter took some of my videos, and I had a really great time exploring inside because there's not a lot of people. Some of them they went home, and I stayed touching all the cows, connecting with the animals, and having a good time of myself. Ta-da! A bag full of the Arla products. Thank you, Arla, for this, and thank you for the nice events. We are looking forward for next year again. It's such a good time to have a time with my family out at the farm.